Hi there, it's Alex from WTI. I've got to say, as a watercolor beginner, this kit from Funto Art not only improved my watercolor skills, but provided an enjoyable experience throughout. I really like how this kit comes with so many extras, not just the paint palette, so you really have everything you need to get started. And speaking of the paint palette, I think this kit comes with a great variety of colors. It was fun to mix the paint and create different colors, and the brushes were top-notch as well. I really like how the tutorial workbook has outlines of different objects so that you can practice with different techniques and color palettes. And there's blank pages too for creating your own masterpieces, of course. What I really appreciated about Funto Art brand is how their website offers free lessons on getting started with watercolor. I found them to be really helpful because they use the exact kit and their instructions were super clear and easy to follow. This watercolor kit from Funto Art has been such a joy to use. I love how compact it is. The paints are about the size of my hand, and I like how I was able to try out all kinds of different watercolor techniques because it comes with everything that you would need to get started, which is awesome. You get a lot of value with this kit from Funto Art, and that's my point of view.